Welcome back to another episode of Andrew's Garage. This week's video is kind of the third and final part of the interior install on the Pontiac. Now, I really didn't go in the proper order, but it was kind of the order that I separated these videos out in. But yeah, I'll be installing some sound deadener and some door panels today, and that'll kind of complete the interior. And once I get all this done, I'll make another video of the just a complete walkthrough. So I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I've already done one. I've stitched it up, put on the original trim back on it. This is actually the original handle as well. I got to stain it and do some leather conditioning on it. But I think it'll be okay once I get a little collar back into it. But I got both the front doors done, and I'm kind of working on the quarters now. So I should have done more, but I can kind of show you the gist of it. So started with some of this. It's like a particle board, almost like cardboard. You can get it at Lowe's, and it's like $10 a sheet, $10–11. So it's not bad. But basically, I'm just using the original trim that I had. It kind of helps hold the material, and on top of that, it adds a nice little trim line that goes along with the trim line that's on the original garnishes. And I'm continuing that trim line. If you look there, you can see where it's going to continue across and go around the back side of the car. So basically what I need to do yet is to roll this kills mat down, sound deaden, and get it all in there. Once I get that rolled, I'm going to put the cardboard template back in and drill my holes for the push-in clips. So, and then once I get the push-in clips and everything in there, inside the cardboard, I will then glue the material to the cardboard, wrap my edges, do everything, put my trim back on. And once I get all that done, I'll be able to put it on permanently. And that's kind of the finished product. You can see there's some dimples in it, and that's actually just from the foam. The way it was shipped, it was not in a roll, it was all folded over and vacuum sealed into a box, which sucks. But hey, it's okay. But now I've got my door panel pins kind of sticking out. You can see them in the corners and stuff like that, and everything kind of hides everything. The garnishes help pull it tight at the top, and also kind of down this edge a little bit. One pin over there on the side kind of takes care of that. So basically I'm going to drill out these holes, these 1/4 inch ones, to one more size up, so the pins will go inside of it. But other than that, it'll be just removing the garnish and installing that, and that'll be done. And then we'll move on to the other side, and then once that's done, we'll move on to that back panel. So still lots of work to do, but for now that turned out pretty good. Everything looks nice, so we'll move on. Alright, that's pretty much just a quick little video for you guys, just to show kind of a little bit of the process of me making door panels, and doing kind of the basic interior work. And it really doesn't take a whole lot of skill, especially if you don't have the skills to stitch the door panels. Then you can still at least glue 1/4 inch sew foam, something with the backing down to your panels, and your material on top of that, whatever you go with. What I usually go with is a marine vinyl, and they have some that's good marine vinyl, and they have some that's bad. The stuff that's kind of coated, kind of like couches and office chairs and stuff like that, where it's got a real thin exterior wall, they tend to peel, and that's just terrible. But the stuff that I use is a marine vinyl. It's stretchy, and there used to be a local Joann Fabric that I'd go up to and get that stuff from, or if I couldn't go in person, I would order it online. But it's a lot thicker, it's more, I guess, stretchy, and it seems to last a long time. So that's kind of what I use. It's not too expensive, and it mimics pretty good for what leather would look like. So I'm pretty happy with it. But yeah, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Andrew's Garage, and we'll see you next week.